Bachelor pads are notoriously stereotyped as messy, poorly taken care of places with clothes carelessly strewn about floors and with refrigerators populated with stale food. These places are portrayed to be occupied with men with a hedonistic approach to life that's all about having fun and very little to do with life's mundane chores, which often disgusts women related to or involved with them. Okay, if the last part alarmed you a bit, this post is for those men out there who definitely want to make a difference or at least go down trying. Smile.